Markets have begun the week on a positive note, but not as great as what is actually been seen in the Chinese markets. It ended at a 5-week high, but nevertheless, I'm here to take you through all the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. And first up, let me talk about some of the earnings candidate and the reactions that we are seeing on that particular front. And first up, it is Berger Paints. The paint maker saw over 4% decline in initial trade that was down more since June 25th. After that, the stock has seen a steady recovery. For the Q1, the company's profit declined by about 91%. The revenue also fell by about 45% on a year-on-year basis. The margins also narrowed for Berger Paints, came in at around 9.9% versus 17.8% on a year-on-year basis. However, the stock has seen recovery, like I mentioned, from those opening lows level. The management spoke to ET Now and sounded quite optimistic. We spoke to the MD and CEO Abhijit Roy of Berger Paints, and he's saying that the demand is looking up and the company is growing. That is what the MD and the CEO of Berger Paints had to say. He also noted that the two-wheelers and the car category paint demand has come quite close to the pre-COVID levels. On the future earnings front, the management has said that the company will post positive revenue growth in Q2 and likely to see much stronger double-digit growth in Q3. If you see the stock performance in the last 52 weeks, the stock has gained over 45%. Let me move on now to Sun TV. That particular stock has soared about 8% intraday. That's the most in 19 weeks on back of the Q1 earnings and the commentary that rather followed. The media giant has said that the revenues are close to 75% of the pre-COVID levels. They're also saying, and I quote, "If things stabilize and if the market really opens up, overall decline could be restricted to 15 to 20%. They have also said that they've guided around 250 crore rupees capex that will be towards digital content, creating content to drive the subscription revenue and also on movies. Brokerages have given a thumbs up to Sun TV. Macquarie has maintained its outperform stance. Meanwhile, Edelweiss has also maintained a buy stance on Sun TV. So brokerages are giving a thumbs up to that particular counter. Let me move on now to Sterlite Tech. The stock has surged over 13% in trade, and this is as CLSA and has initiated a coverage on the stock with a buy rating. CLSA believes that the company is a play on digital networks. They are saying that the company has a strong order book with compelling valuations. CLSA also has a target of around 185 rupees per share on Sterlite Technologies. They've also mentioned that the company's focus on ROCE and strong order book are key positives. In the last 52 weeks, the stock performance has been pretty muted, but definitely today, the stock is surging. Let me talk about NTPC. The state-run power company has surged most in over 6 years with gains of upwards of 8% intraday. The company in a statement said that it has begun the bulk supply of fly ash using newly developed infrastructure at its Rihand project in Uttar Pradesh to distance cement plants. The development is in line with NTPC's commitment towards 100% utilization of fly ash from power plants. This is what the company said in their statement. The chairman also this morning has said that it plans to enter the power distribution business. Talking about the stock performance, the stock has fallen about 19% in the last 52 weeks. And it's a second straight session of gains coming in for that particular counter. Apart from that, now you have Aarti Drugs. That particular counter is seeing an 8% surge. The company said that they are going to actually meet on August 20th to consider bonus issue. You see the stock, it has surged over actually nearly 400% in the last 52 weeks, over 50% gains coming in the last 30 days for Aarti Drugs are definitely a stock to watch out for. August 20th is when they are going to take a call on the bonus issue. Apart from that, you have Redington that surged most in about 6 months. You have Thyrocare that has actually surged to record high levels this afternoon rather. Eicher Motors has gained most since July 23rd. Coal India has gained most in 8 weeks. So these are the stocks that are actually buzzing in trade today.